Kung mas makakita ko. Oops. Can you read? Pero sealed naman siya. Nagutas na lang sa gilid. Ooh! Ooh! Pero siya bubble wrap. Ooh! Oh my god! Yay! Natakot ako baka maano ko siya. Nagano. Ito ang lola niya. And then... Wait lang. Ah. Dito siya. And meron din tayong Weaver's version. So yeah. Oh, bakla. Okay, simulan na natin. Hello, saan walang loop? Oh my god. Oh my god. Ay, shit. Hello, nakita ko, hello. Buksan, girl. Yeah. Ayoko lumamit ng... Oh my god. Si Jen. Oh my god, paano ba ito tignan? Ayun. Si Jen. For the first pull. Ay, god. Okay, sana walang loop. Please lang, please lang. Oh my god. Lord, bigay mo na sa akin lang kahit sino mo ko. Ay! Ay! I got cookie. Akala ko si J-Hope. Oh my god. Ang pogi. Jungkook. My second pull. Oh my god. Sorry, paulit-ulit niyo ako maririnig na. Oh my god, Yoongi, thank you, no. Ano? Ay, pang-ayusin ko lang, ha. Alam niyo yun. Alam niyo kasi yung Maris Way. Alam niyo kasi yung si Steven, guys. Sige, buksan na natin. Sabay-sabay na kayong kanina. Like, si RM! Oh my god. Pero kita naman pala siya kahit di ko lagyan ng ano. Ang pogi. Gosh. Oh my gosh. No, di mo. Umuwi siya. Baby. Hindi pala kita. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, ayun na. Tapos, actually, yun lang yun. Yung pre-order lang yung ano. Ay, anyway, ito pala yung group photo. Oh my god. Perfect. Ang perfect. Ang perfect niya. Grabe. Ano, ang pretty. Like, what the hell? Sige, zoom in natin, guys. Yan. Okay. Wow. Ay, shit. And, yan. Bookmark. This is so cute. Ang cute. It's made of, ano, metal. And it says Weavers. Balik ka na dyan, girl. Ta-da! Ooh. ACR. BAR. Huh. Ibig sabihin nun. But anyway. Alam ko ano lang to yung 5 members each ata. I'm like sweating. Okay. First in line. Ay! Ooh! Ooh! I got RM. Anyway. And the code is ganito. Yeah. RM. Oh, Hobie! Ito pala yung tsura ni Hobie. Okay. Si Minsuga. Younger. Ay, Jimmy! Mochi! And ito yung version na... Okay, muna tayo. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Ito yung back. Same lang naman sa lahat, so I'm not going to show it anymore. Anyway, oh my god, ito na. Whew. Bigyan mo naman ako ng teyong. Wala akong teyong dun sa isa. Is that too much to ask, ha? Yan! Ano ba? Ito na. Ayan, umuwi nga siya. Okay. Okay, ha? 2 out of 2 na ako kay Hobie. Yay! Oh, oh. Yoongi. 2 out of 2 na rin kay Yoongi. Ooh! Oh! I love his mullet. I super love. Ang pretty. Ang pretty. Gusto ko Ay! Jen! Ay! Ito pa rin kanina. Bakla ka. Hindi ko sila nakuha doon sa kabila. Dito. Pero nandito sila sa kabilang set. So, yeah. Okay na ako doon. Ako ko lahat ng members. Yeah. We're good. All good in the hood. Ito yung mga POV, guys. Ligpitin ko lang tayo. Magandang maksa tayo ng album. Let's open the reverse version. Reverse version. Ooh. Oh. I was holding it upside down. Wala naman siyang damage. Yeah, it's in perfect condition. Okay. Okay, it's open. I'm so scared I might tear this. Oh. Ooh. What? Oh shit. Wala, na-bend yung ano, photo cards. What the hell? Photo cards, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kasi ganyan ang packaging nyo. Distract ako dito sa ano. Ito yung tsura ng album. Ito yung tracks. Okay. And how to use Geme Geme. Oh, may Japanese version din sa likod. Ooh. Yungi. Oh wow, Jim is so cute. What the hell? Tete. And Jongbuki. I'm sorry about the glare though. Oh my god, I'm cute. Cuties. Oh my. I'm not okay, bro. I'm not okay. Anyway, that's the Weaver's version. Let's go. Hindi ko na siya ilalagay ng ganun. Kasi ganyan yung packaging, nakakainis. Why? Yan, the Weaver's version. This one is rooted in Korea. Tinuro ni Yoongi, di ba? Oh, oh! Okay, so this is the front. Ooh. Yeah, this is the back. Oh, lagi na lang baliktad, guys. Checklist and yeah. Ay, nakatakot na tapos. Feeling ko mapupunit siya, guys. Ayun. Okay. Badam! Badam! Ooh! Okay, iba, tinatanggal nila to. Pero parang hindi talaga siya tinatanggal. Ano ba yun? Hindi ata siya tinatanggal, guys. Ganyan lang talaga siya. It's made of, like, hard plastic. Ganun. And yun, may BTS lang sa taas. And credits. Ooh, legit nga as policy. Yung tattoo artist ni JK. And yung ano nila, mga 7. Okay. Oh. That is cute. And it says, Bangtansanyandan. May detail pa pala dito sa baba. Yan. Their names. Yan. Ooh. It's sealed with sticker. A photo card. Oh, yan, yan. Ooh. Ganda ng texture. What? Anyway, this is the front. Ooh, it's RM, Jin, Suga, and J-Hope. Yeah. And then sa likod, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. And Unit 1. Oh. Oh. Meron pa sa loob. Anyway, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Zoom in ko na lang kayo a little bit. Yes. Ooh. Wait lang, smell test muna kasi ang bango ang may magazine. My hands are so sweaty. Shit. Ooh. Kasi kala mo ang broad shoulders ni Jungkook dyan. He is though. But oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hindi na ako magsasalita kasi baka may masabi pa akong hindi appropriate. Ganon. Oh my god. Ang pogi. Grabe. Face card ng Korea. Oh my god. Ooh. Grabe. Oh. Oh sh. Wow. Ang pogi. Ay! Ay! Gumanon siya. Oh my god. Oh. Tumayo siya. Shit. Shit. Oh. Wow. Damn. Nagsenti siya. May comment. Oh. Oh, I love the shot. Ayan o. Wow. Yan o. Park Jaman. Park Jaman. Ooh. Pretty. Ang pretty niya. Damn. Ito rin o. Gusto ko to. Ito itong shot. Yeah. May pa-usok effect. Ay! Ang OA. Ayoko na. Whew. Ayoko na. Tama na. Ay! Ayoko na. Quiet na lang ako. Guys! Quiet na lang ako. Ano ba? Tama na guys. Tama na. Yung oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. Grabe. Grabe guys. So, nagpapawis talaga yung kamay ko. Grabe. Ipatarpolin na yan. Oh, ayan. Gininaw na siya. Nagtaklob na si Bakla. Ay! Ay! Ang lakas makaano na. Standing next to you. Ano niya dito, no? Kumanta siya. Wow. Ooh! Parang legit siya. Parang legit talaga siya. Damn. Ang ganda ng mga shot na ng ganito, yung parang nasa likod yung ilaw, tapos may pa-smoke effect. Ay, ito pala yun. Ito. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one better. Parang poster worthy. Damn. Ay, tapos na. Ito yung lyrics. Yan lang, para mabasa nyo guys. Yan. Uy, sorry na. Nakaharang pala yung kamay ko. Diba? Muntik ko masabi fire. Tang. Walang lyrics. Bigyan nila tayo picture kasi walang lyrics eh. No? Pero sige, appreciate na lang natin sila. Nag-effort naman silang lagyan ng picture. O diba? Bawing na rin. Alam ko, magig na nga yung pa ako, girl. I can't get off kerosene, melatonin. Baby, we can be 24 hours in the tub. Ito na lang ako dito para alam niyo kung nasa na tayo, guys. I want someone like you. Ooh. Oh, rooted in Korea. Oh. Ay! Meron pa! Gusto ko siya ipa-frame ganun or gawing posters. So, may posters yun na ganyan. Ay, yun na pala, last na. Yeah. Yay! We're done. We're done with this one. Yeah, I enjoyed that. Ay, meron pa pala. Hindi pa natin makalimutan to, guys. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Nabuksan na natin. Alright. Wala nang laman, girl. What is this? Oh. What is this? Oh, yung message. Ay, may picture. Yay. Anyway. Yeah, oh. Okay, so RM. Jin, Yoongi, Suga, Jihoon, Jimin, V, Jungkook, Taran, and yung picture. Oh. Standing next to you. Wow. Ooh. Bang. Wow. Ooh. I like this. The CD. Ooh. Oh yeah. There's the front kasi yun, one. Body to body. Yung mga ano lang. Track list. Ayan. Here's the CD. Oh. Ooh. You. Tada. Ay. Lagi na lang baliktad, girl. Their names. Ayan, dito sa baba. Pretty. Oh my god. Wala pala akong CD player. Bibili pa lang ako. Ito na siya. Random ba to or lahat? Okay, total 7. Thank you. Thank you naman. Ah, ito yung sinasabi nilang super flimsy na ano. Ayan, like, ang flimsy nga. But anyway, nadadala na yan ng face card. Tsaka may nagsabi sa comment na parang yung concept nila is parang photo print. Like, parang na-develop na photo, ganun. At saka yung ibang PCs naman, ano eh, yung quality, wow, yung quality nila, ganito, grabe, ang ganda. Ay, ito lang yung lahat ng members lang, iba yung quality. Kita nyo may mga freebie kanina. Like, para silang regular PCs. Yeah. Huba! Jimin! Wow. Ooh! Wow. Ang hirap nga lang niya hawakan kasi dumudulas-dulas siya, guys. Ooh. Wow. Standing next. Anyway, yeah. Finally, nakakuha din ng kompletong ano, no. Random ni ano. Yeah, okay. Hindi natin masyadong higpit. Mga siya. Next, ang magazine very right. Ito na talaga iniisip kong bilhin kasi naganda talaga ako sa version na to. Let us see. Ganito raw eh. Sabi ni Yoongi eh. Diba si? Anyway, this is the front, the same lang. Yeah, rooted in music. This is the sticker. This one is easier to open. Ta-da! Ooh! I'm guessing ito yung lyric, whatnot. Then, this side in CD. This is the coolest. Wait lang. Hindi siya nakasakto. Wait lang, naka-OC ako, guys. Ayun. Ayun. Ayan. Medyo sumakto na siya. Ang cute, diba? But so cute. And that's the photo book. Ooh. Sige, tingnan muna natin ito nasa kilid. Yeah. Ow! Ay! Ano naman pala na itong kasama, girl? I'm going to look at this one. Yung lyrics. Dahil na, baras. Dahil na. Cute na sulat niya, guys. They've been doing this ever since. Ooh. As in lyrics lang siya. Napakita ko ng lyrics sa inyo, guys. Alam niyo na yan. Yan. Ito yung body to body. First one. And then, pagano'n. Yeah. Oh my god, okay. Anyway, the CD. Oh, ayoko siyang hawakan. Ayan. This is the CD. Okay. It's so pretty. This leads me around. I think this is the best that I could do. Para ma-fit siya. Eat it. Ooh. This is so pretty. It's Taeyong, RM, Jimin, Jin, Yoongi. I'm sorry sa glare, sa reflection. I can't do anything about it kasi siya glossy. Hobi. Try ko na lang yung angle para makita niyo. Jungkook. And the back is just like this. And, sige, check na natin yung photo cards since nandito na sila. Pakita ko ba to? Ooh. Oh, ito regular photo card siya. Yung quality niya. Ooh. Oh, ito ba ng cheeks ni Yoongi dito? Cute. Damn. Damn. Ano ba? Hindi na ka pa. Oh, cutie. Cutie patootie. Yung back, same lang as the others. And yeah. And there you go. Dito ba is a photo book. This is the front. It don't look so good. Ooh. Ooh. Parang familiar yung setup. Parang isa sa mga shoots nila sa may mga rooms. Yung sa BE. Sa album, I don't know. Hindi pa ano sinasabi ko, guys. Let's do... Oh, ang ganda. Wow, okay. Yarn. Ooh. Oh, my handsome Jin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. Uy, is that legal? Oh my god. Oh my god. Aww. Talaga siyang angel, guys. Damn. Oh. Ooh. I'm living for the dance. Wow. Ooh. Today we got caught. Today we caught a big fish. Okay. I think this gonna be something good. Yo. Giboni soso. Yo. Isosoyo. Mabagal ako magbasa ng Korean. Bahala na kayo dyan. Oh my gosh, di ko maintindihan yung sulat eh, Yoongi. I'm so sorry, Yoongi. Oh my gosh, ayoko na. Ooh. Sige ba yung sulat ni Jimin? Low-key. Kaya pa rin naman yung sulat niya. Gusto ko yung nag-focus ako sa mga sulat nila, hindi sa sa picture. Ano ba? INFP. AB. Water. Huh? Yomso? Oh my gosh, di ko maintindihan, guys. I'm so sorry. Ooh. And that's the end of that first, Dito naman tayo sa next. Oh. I need my other hand. Ooh. Ang pogi. What the hell? Ang pogi. Oo. Hindi niya mabitawan yung gitara niya, guys. Si Obi, di niya maiwan yung mic niya. Oh, cute. Ooh. Tete. Oh, wow. Oh. No. I'm so sorry. Ang pogi. Damn. Drummer ang atake niya, guys. Ooh. Thank you for patiently waiting. Oh, damn. It was so long to me, too. This is the 2.0. I've missed you all. Are we on the same page? Wonders and wonders. Hey, thank you. Finally, something English. Something I can understand. Ami BTS. Oh. At saka si Yoongi, ba't ganito yung ginamit niyang pangsulat? Parang crayon. Ganun. Pogi. Ang pogi, guys. Uy, ang ganda ng sulat ni J-Hope, ah. Ami Ege. Oh my gosh. Ayoko naman. Ooh, this shot, though. So, yun, 행복했어요. 행복했어요. 소랬어요. 보고 싶습니다. 행복했어요. Let's be happy. I miss you. BTS 2.0, let's go. Ooh, Jungkook with drums is so cool. Oh, and these are the lyrics. These are the lyrics. Ooh. That is so end credits. Ooh, this is so cute. And yung handwriting ulit nila. Yeah, this is the last page for this one. That's it. Pansit. The last one. Ta-da! This is like so big. Let's start here. Oh, ang bilis niya makaki. Yeah. Gagawin mo siya. And then bounce. Bibas. This one is the biggest. And yeah. Ito yung front. It's not shining, shimmering, splendid. So yeah. And this is the sides. So pretty. The back just says BTS, and the bottom part it says Living Legend. Let's go. Okay, ooh, that's the easiest one to open. The track list. Bangtan Sonyeon. Oh, Arirang. That is so cool. Ay. Anyway. Yeah, oh. Hindi ko siya mapakita ng buo, guys, kasi malaki. And nakaslat talaga yung pag-print sa kanya. Yeah. You can pause if you want to read. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Ito, paper lang yung material. Ooh. Tanggalin ko na nga ito kasi, ayun o. Oh. Yeah, it just says BTS all over. Yeah, pwede siya i-remove pero I'm not going to remove it. The front and the back. So there's nothing on this side. And when you open it, nandito lahat ng content. Oh my god, what? Okay, oh gosh, okay. What is this black thing? Oh, this. Oh, the CD. Nandiyan lang siya. Anyway, daming mga paper crumbs. Paper crumbs. Super nipis lang to na paper. Yeah, for the lyrics. It's a lyric book. Siguro naman nakabisado nyo na yung lyrics, guys, kasi 3 beses. I mean, mga 4 na beses na to. Actually, 3 lang pala. Wala palang lyrics sa Weavers. Mahaba ng lyrics. Actually. Oh, wow! Animated. Cartoonified. Swim. I go round. How this shit normal. Release ako na lang, guys, kasi yeah. I know you guys wouldn't read this. Actually. You go, I run. And this is the CD. Ooh. Parang cup lang ng Coca-Cola. And credits. Yeah, credits and all the people involved into creating this masterpiece. Thank you so much. Yeah, ooh. Parang yung sa Squid Game, ginaganon. May balik. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Yan na to. Ooh. Dito mo tayo sa photo book. RM. Wow. Ooh. Yeah, itong dalawang version lang talaga ito yung bibilin ko. Rooted in Music and ito, Living Legend. If we can get all, why not? Pero ito yung favorite ko ito. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, guys. Hindi siya nakadikit, hindi siya nakastapler, hindi siya nakatahi. Wow! What? By the way, ang bango. Amoy magazine. Ooh. Jimin! Parang may gusot. Ako ba yun? Wow. Ano ba yun? Ano ba to? Kanina pa to siya. Tama na. Stop me. Jungkook. Ay, sorry. Nakaharang yung kamay ko. Ooh. Nice. Ito talaga, di ba? Pwede mong gawing poster. Because poster nga naman talaga siya. Ooh. Pwede, pwede. Uy! Ang cute! I like this one. Oh, parang nag-iba na yung quality niya. Pero hindi na siya glossy. Ayun, hindi na siya glossy. Yeah. Wow. Yung mga cool ass background. Wow. Grabe ba? Wow. Nandito lang ako sa paglagay. Anyway. Ooh. Ooh. The G booty. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh, parang pag tumingin ka sa ilalim ng microscope. Ooh. Jungkook. Jungkook, the cook. Ooh. Is this rocks? Mga rock formation. Ooh. Ooh. OMG. Oh. I like this. I love this. Are we alright? Oh, 1 out of 7. Wala, ako ba yung nakagusot nun? Anyway, 1 out of 7. And then, there's a cute little picture. The side, like the mini version of... Oh! Oh! Ooh! Oh. Still 1 out of 7. Nice job, nice job. Of course, they are 1 of 1. Yeah, I think... Yeah, it's just a smaller version of this. What? Pwede na siya maging, lead sa K-drama talaga. Ang pogi. Mafia boss. Mafia boss ang atake. Ay. Oh my. Girl. Pinawisan ako. Grabe. Wow. Ooh. Ako si Mr. Suave. Sorry na. Ooh. Oh, grabe. Diba? Grabe siya. Ay, kamagusot. Wow. Ray-Ban. Naka-Ray-Ban na shades. Wow. Uy! J-Hope! Oh! Ito, napaka-soft boy talaga ng, alam mo yun? Saan ba pwede si Jimin Shi? Businessman ang atake niya, alam mo yun? Parang hot, rich CEO, ganun. Diba? Bam! Ay! Ito yung sisira ng buhay ko. I really love his mole. Ewan ko, gusto ko talaga yung mga mole sa mukha. Tapos yung sa eyes niya, I really love. It's so unique. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Gets niyo ba ako? Damn! I love the piercings. I super love the piercings. Ooh, wow. Mano nga na kay J-Hope. Damn! Ooh! This is so cute. Living Legend. Aww. I love the design of this one. The track is, oh, ang glossy ah. Oh, this is so pretty. Anyway, yeah. This is the front. Appreciate their beauty. What it says here at the back. Yeah. And I'm gonna put it back. That's quite heavy. Ito yung pinang-cover nila. Like to protect the photo book. Itong big ass poster. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this up. Oh my gosh. I forgot about this. Ito yung mga, ang may laman ng aking pinakahihintay, ang aking paborito. Paborito, baby. Ooh. Anyway, ito, para din siyang yung normal PCs. Yeah. And you get to have all of the members with their signature. It's RM. Jin. Suga. Shooting guard. Mr. Shooting guard. All men do is lie. Hoba. J-Hope. I thought he was like wearing a wig dito. Because he has such a long hair. The iconic signature. Bakit kaya? Oh my gosh. Jimin. Oh. Ano to? Ito ba talaga yung pirma niya? Timmy. Vey. Pero may slight changes nga sa signature. I don't know. Sometimes hindi rin parehas yung pirma ko eh, so yeah. Jungkook. The most neatest and like the most professional. 저는 방탄소년단 황금 막내 정정국입니다. ito nga pala ito nga pala yung ano, yung parang standee na photo card. This is so funny. Anyway, yeah. And Jin. This is so cute though. I don't know if I'm going to make them like a photo card. Kasi I like this ano, whole body shot. I don't know. Should I? J-Hope? Gagalit. Wow. Ooh. Sobrang finesse talaga ni Jimin, ano? Like as in. Ganyan na nga talaga yung pirma niya. I mean, same lang din dun sa kanina. Ewan ko, parang may iba talaga. I don't know. Siguro sobrang tagal na nung... Oh! Cutie! Cutie. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Jungkook. Wow. Oh. Oh. I'm so torn. Should I? Malalaman nyo. Ito yung sticker. Yeah, sticker sheets. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Yung mga tats nila nandito. Kaya nandito si policy. I don't know, is that how you read it? That's so cute. It's so cute. I don't know, they always leave me wondering. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing video. This is the longest I've ever... Oh, the poster. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Gosh. Okay. Here is the poster. It's high quality. Oh, it's so big. Oh my gosh. It's so big. Okay. Oh, sorry. Ooh, perfect. Perfect para sa wall. This is the back. With their names on it. Yeah. And that's it. Gawa na tayo ng pang thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. This is all the photo cards that I came with. Like, wow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And let us support the boys. True and true. Bye. Okay, so insert the Weverse version while I'm holding my phone. Yeah, because I forgot to include them. Sorry about the glare. The best unit. Cut. That's it. Like, final na to, guys. Thank you for watching.